Okay, you turn your machine on and you hit the monogram, and then you hit that up there, and you see border and normal sewing. Border has 2 files. You hit, whoops, sorry about that, border. You see the borders, and there's 2 files. Hit that. It shows you all the borders. Go back up here and hit that, and then you hit normal sewing, and there's 4 files there. Okay, then you pick what you want, and I did no sewing. Let's see here if I can find it. Whoops. Okay, right there. See that one right there? That's what I did. Okay. Now, you press it. See up there, you press it. Okay. You press OK. Keep hands clear. Whoops. Okay. I don't have the hoop on. Okay. I have my 7x9. Hold on, I gotta put this down. Of course I don't have it on because I haven't done this before. Okay. Still, I already sewed it out. If you can see it right there on tearaway stabilizer. Okay. Back over here. That's a circle. If you can see it. See the circle? Okay. Back over here. Let's see here. Oh, I forgot how to do. Okay, that. Okay, press OK. Okay, out of there. Okay, that fits the 8x8 hoop. 2 minutes, but I'm going to. Oh dear. Okay, that. Okay, where's my stylus? Okay, bring it over to the middle. Oops. Okay, go back up to home. That. Okay, get out of there. Okay, you see the ABC. Okay, I made a circle. See? I made a circle. Press OK. Go back up there. Go to that. No. I gotta think here. That. Okay. Oh, I just did it again. Okay. Get out of there. That. Normal sew. That.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to my recorder on my phone.
Sorry.
That's alright. Oh. Okay. Press OK. That's okay. Go up to home. Press the grid. Press that. Make a circle. Okay. Drag it into the middle. Press OK. Okay. Okay. That's okay. Go up to home. Press the grid. Press that. Made it go up to 120. Press OK. 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 And there's the finished design. hopefully this will help somebody. As you can see it there. Okay, now back over here I have my, whoops, I have everything messed up here. I have my USB port in my computer. Oops. I gotta move things out of the way because I'm not to shut my mouse off. Okay. Okay. Now I saved it. You can also do this in an embroidery editor that I found out. See over here, embroidery editor. See right there? It has the files for the border and the normal sewing. I did it in that one too. Normal sewing, I picked out the same one, and notice at the top, every time I hit it, it puts it across. That means it's putting it in the hoop. Okay, enter. Okay, backspace, home, close. See it in there, in the hoop? Excuse me. Oh, that's also in style. Style. Sorry. You can also pull it. Oops. Oh, you want to select your hoop too. I forgot about that. Okay. I'll put it down there again. Style. Okay. I have medium. I can go small. Space 9. I can go down to 4. Okay. I got a dog by my foot. Okay, now. Nope, cancel. Cancel. Okay. Edit. Okay. Horizontal mirror. Okay, see up over here. Arch, lower or upper. See? I click on it, it goes around. But I needed it bigger. So I did it bigger. Okay. Yeah. Home. Save it. Write a design right to the display. Excuse me. Press that. I found, there it is right there. That's one I did before. I saved it there. Okay. You can close it. You can save it, but that's just the way to do it. Okay, get out of here. No, I don't want to save it, but I have it over here. There it is there. That's what I saved before. Okay, that's how you do it. You just pick your hoop size, and then you adjust the design of the stitches to the area that you want to save. It's not hard to do. Okay? Hope this helps somebody. I gotta practice and put some more things in the hoop. my hoop I'm using is the 8x8, the 7.9 square. Okay? I hope this helps somebody. Bye.